Have you ever watched a friend or a family member melt away body fat, double their energy, and look absolutely amazing by following a specific diet, only for you to try the exact same foods and end up feeling exhausted, bloated, and heavier than before? You followed all the rules. You ate the exact same salads, the same proteins, and the same portions. You put in the exact same amount of effort, maybe even more. Yet your results were the complete opposite. It feels incredibly unfair, doesn't it? You start to think that maybe your metabolism is completely broken, or maybe you just lack willpower. You look in the mirror and silently blame yourself, wondering why your body refuses to cooperate. But I am here to tell you right now, with absolute scientific certainty, that it is not your fault. You are not broken, and you do not lack willpower. The truth is that the entire concept of a universal, one-size-fits-all diet is a complete illusion. It is a myth that has been sold to us for decades by an industry that wants simple answers to incredibly complex human biology. Today, we are going to completely shatter that myth. We are going to explore the fascinating world of personalized nutrition. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly why one diet does not work for everyone. And more importantly, you will have a clear step-by-step roadmap to discover the optimal foods for your unique body.
To understand why a diet fails you while succeeding for someone else, we have to look deep inside your body, specifically at a bustling, invisible city living right inside your stomach. This city is called your gut microbiome. Imagine your gut as a massive, vibrant metropolis populated by trillions of tiny workers. These workers are bacteria, and they are responsible for breaking down the food you eat, extracting the nutrients, and sending energy to the rest of your body. Now, here is the mind-blowing part. Your gut microbiome is completely unique to you. It is more unique than your fingerprint. Even identical twins who share the exact same human DNA have completely different microbiomes. Your specific city of bacteria has been shaped by everything you have experienced since the day you were born. It was influenced by whether you were born naturally or by C-section, the environment you grew up in, the pets you played with, the stress you have endured, and every single meal you have ever eaten. Because your bacterial city is so unique, the way these tiny workers process a piece of food is also entirely unique. According to a groundbreaking study published by the Weizmann Institute of Science, our bodies react to the exact same foods in radically different ways. The researchers took a large group of people and continuously monitored their blood sugar levels while giving them the exact same meals. What they found completely shocked the scientific world. They discovered that a food that causes a massive, dangerous blood sugar spike in one person might cause absolutely zero reaction in another person. For example, they gave participants a simple banana. For some people, the banana was a perfect, healthy source of energy that kept their blood sugar stable. But for others, that exact same banana caused a blood sugar spike higher than if they had eaten a giant chocolate chip cookie. Let that sink in for a moment. A banana, universally considered a healthy food, was actually causing a metabolic disaster in certain people. This happens because the specific bacteria in their gut were simply not equipped to process the sugars in that banana efficiently. When your blood sugar spikes, your body panics. It releases a massive wave of a hormone called insulin to push that sugar out of your blood and into your cells. If your cells are already full, that excess energy is instantly stored as body fat. Worse, after that massive spike comes a massive crash, leaving you feeling exhausted, irritable, and craving more sugary foods. This means that a diet plan telling you to eat bananas every morning for weight loss might be the exact thing keeping you trapped in a weight loss plateau. And it goes beyond just bananas. This applies to tomatoes, rice, potatoes, bread, and even spinach. Your body has its own specific list of foods that it loves and a list of foods that it hates. Think of your body like a highly advanced car engine. Some engines are built to run beautifully on diesel, while others need premium unleaded gasoline. If you put diesel into a gasoline engine, it doesn't matter how high quality or expensive that diesel is. The engine is going to sputter, stall, and eventually break down. It is not because the diesel is bad, it is simply the wrong fuel for that specific engine. For decades, we have been trying to force everyone to run on the exact same fuel. We have been told that a low-fat diet is the ultimate truth, or that a low-carb diet is the magical cure, or that a vegan diet will fix every health problem. But the reality is that your genetics, combined with your unique gut microbiome, dictate whether you run better on a higher fat intake, a higher carbohydrate intake, or a very specific balance of both. So, how do we solve this? How do we escape the trap of generic diets and discover the optimal foods for our unique biology? It requires shifting your mindset from being a diet follower to becoming a personal scientist. You have to run a simple, highly effective experiment on yourself. The first step of this experiment is what we call the baseline reset. For 2 to 4 weeks, you need to quiet the noise in your body by removing the most common inflammatory and hyperpalatable foods. These are the heavily processed foods, refined sugars, artificial seed oils, and perhaps common triggers like gluten and conventional dairy. You replace them with whole, single-ingredient foods. Fresh meats, fish, eggs, a wide variety of vegetables, and healthy fats like olive oil and avocados. This is not a forever diet. It is simply a way to clear the smoke so you can actually see the fire. When you eat a diet full of highly processed artificial foods, your body is in a constant state of low-grade alarm. You feel bloated all the time, your energy is always up and down, and your sleep is poor. In that state of chaos, it is impossible to tell which specific healthy foods are actually working for you and which ones are secretly holding you back.
Once you have completed this baseline reset, you will likely feel better than you have in years. The brain fog will lift, your digestion will smooth out, and you will have a steady, calm stream of energy. Now comes the most important part, the reintroduction and testing phase. This is where you truly discover your personalized nutrition profile. You start bringing back specific foods, one by one, and you listen very closely to what your body tells you. Let's say you decide to test oatmeal, a classic healthy breakfast carbohydrate. You eat a bowl of plain oatmeal in the morning, and then you pay extreme attention to how you feel over the next 2 to 3 hours. Do you feel energized, focused, and satisfied? Or do you suddenly feel a wave of sleepiness hitting you an hour later? Do you feel your stomach expanding with gas? Does your mind feel cloudy? These subjective feelings are actually incredibly accurate indicators of what is happening inside your bloodstream and your gut. If you feel tired and hungry shortly after eating that oatmeal, your body is loudly telling you that you just experienced a massive blood sugar spike and a subsequent crash. That food, despite being labeled as healthy by society, is not optimal for you. To take this experiment to the next level of precision, you can use modern technology. Continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs, are small, painless devices you wear on your arm that track your blood sugar levels 24 hours a day in real time. By connecting a CGM to an app on your phone, you can physically see the exact graph of how your body reacts to every single meal. You might discover that a bowl of white rice sends your blood sugar to the moon, but a bowl of potatoes keeps it perfectly flat. You might find that eating carbohydrates by themselves causes a huge spike. But if you eat a handful of almonds or a piece of chicken before eating those same carbohydrates, your blood sugar remains perfectly stable. This is because adding protein and fat slows down the digestion process, allowing your body to handle the sugars much more efficiently. This level of data is absolutely life-changing. It removes all the guesswork, all the guilt, and all the confusion. You stop reading generic diet articles and start reading the data produced by your own biology.
But discovering your optimal foods is not just about what you eat. It is also profoundly affected by how you live. Your environment plays a massive role in how your body processes food. Let's talk about sleep. According to multiple studies in human biology, just one single night of poor sleep can drastically alter how your body handles carbohydrates the very next day. When you are sleep deprived, your cells become temporarily resistant to insulin. This means that a healthy meal of sweet potatoes and chicken, which normally gives you great energy, might suddenly cause a huge blood sugar spike simply because you only slept for 5 hours the night before. The same exact rule applies to psychological stress. When you are deeply stressed about your job, your finances, or your relationships, your body floods your system with cortisol, the survival hormone. Cortisol signals your liver to dump stored sugar into your blood to give you energy to fight or run away from a perceived threat. In this highly stressed state, your digestion shuts down, and the healthy salad you just ate sits in your stomach fermenting, causing bloating and discomfort. Personalized nutrition means understanding that your optimal diet changes based on your current lifestyle. On a high-stress, low-sleep day, your body might need more comforting, easily digestible proteins and healthy fats, while requiring fewer carbohydrates.
This journey of discovering your personalized nutrition is the most empowering thing you can ever do for your health. It completely destroys the toxic cycle of guilt and shame that the diet industry has built its empire upon. When a diet fails you, it is not a personal moral failure. It is simply a data point. It is your body communicating with you, telling you that this specific combination of fuel does not match your unique engine. By adopting the mindset of a personal scientist, you take your power back. You learn to respect your unique gut microbiome, your genetics, and your lifestyle. You learn that eating a piece of dark chocolate might be perfectly fine for your blood sugar, while a slice of whole wheat bread might be your personal kryptonite. It takes time, patience, and a willingness to listen to the whispers of your own body. But the reward is a life of boundless energy, effortless weight management, and a deep, peaceful relationship with food. You no longer have to fear what is on your plate because you know exactly how your body will handle it. Start your experiment today. Simplify your meals, clear out the processed noise, and begin testing the foods that make you feel truly alive. You hold the key to your own health, and it is written in your unique biology. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where we will dive even deeper into how to heal your gut microbiome. What is one healthy food that has always made you feel terrible? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to read your experiences. Click the video on the screen right now to learn the biggest mistakes people make when trying to reset their metabolism, and I will see you over there.